Is your TV setup still stuck in the dark? Want to transform your screen into a cinematic experience without breaking the bank? Today, we're showing you how to set up Govee TV Backlight step by step, whether you've got the T2, 3 Lite, DreamView, or even Govee outdoor lights. Hey everyone, welcome back to USA Tech Deals. I'm Steve Hoogan, and in this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about installing and configuring your Govee lights for the ultimate home entertainment experience. We'll also cover troubleshooting, camera calibration, and app tips to help you get the most out of your setup. Make sure you have all these essentials ready before you start. Trust me, it'll make the setup super smooth. Now comes step-by-step installation. Step 1. Clean the back of your TV. Start by cleaning the back of your TV using an alcohol wipe or microfiber cloth. This removes dust and oil so the LED strip can stick properly and last longer. Step 2. Apply the LED strip, U-shape installation. Next, take the Govee LED strip and gently apply it to the back of your TV in a U-shaped pattern. Start from the bottom center, move up both sides, then across the top edge. Make sure the strip is evenly aligned and avoid bending it sharply. Step 3. Connect the power supply. Once the strip is in place, connect it to the controller box, then plug in the power adapter to a nearby outlet. When the lights flash, you're good to go. Step 4. Mount the camera, if your model has one. If your model includes a camera, like the T2, 3 Lite, or DreamView, mount the camera at the top center of your TV. Use the adhesive pad or hanging clip to stabilize it. Make sure the lens is directly facing the screen. Step 5. Open the Govee app and pair your device. Now, open the Govee Home app on your phone. Tap the plus icon to add a new device, select your Govee model, and pair it via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Step 6. Calibrate the camera, if applicable. If your device has a camera, the app will guide you through screen calibration. You'll see a grid overlay, align it with the corners of your screen, then follow the steps to complete calibration. And that's it. Your Govee TV backlight is ready to light up every scene, every game, and every night. Do you want more detailed instructions, model comparisons, and direct Amazon product links? Visit our full blog guide at https://usatechdeals.com. How to set up Govee TV backlight. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want us to cover more smart lighting setups. We're here to make your tech life easier. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.